Welcome students. Today's topic is isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of same element. Keep this thing in mind. It is of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. They are of same element having different mass number and same atomic number. Suppose we are taking an example of hydrogen. We all are knowing hydrogen is having one atomic number and one mass number. This hydrogen occurs in three isotopes. They are, when atomic number is same, mass number is different. See, this is one, this is called protium. Another is one whose mass number is 2. Another isotope is having same atomic number but the mass number changes. So see, hydrogen occurs in three isotopes: protium, deuterium and tritium. Now what are the properties? Isotopes have properties of isotopes. Isotopes have similar chemical properties but different physical properties. Now what? Now see here, the properties of isotopes are they are having similar chemical properties but they are having different physical properties. Why such occurs? Why is such? Now the reason for this is, see, the chemical properties depends on atomic number. The chemical properties depend on atomic number of an atom. See, atomic number is equal to number of electrons equal to number of protons and hence same electronic configuration. Therefore we can say that isotopes whose atomic number are same. See, by this example we can understand same atomic number. When they are having same atomic number, they are having same electron and proton and they will be having same electronic configuration. Therefore their chemical properties are same. Now what is the reason for different same chemical property and different physical property? The reason for this is the different mass number. The reason for different physical property is different mass number. See, mass numbers are different here. Atomic numbers are same but mass numbers are different. The same thing is here. When atomic masses are different, they are having different physical properties. Number of neutrons vary here. Therefore its atomic masses change and therefore the physical properties are different here. Now next heading is chemical activity of an atom. Why any atom participate in any chemical activity? See, already we have understood what are isotopes. Now why any atom goes under chemical activity? The reason for this is, see, we all know that all atoms are having atoms have unstable electronic configuration. Those atoms which have unstable electronic configuration, to acquire stability, they undergoes. What they do to acquire stability? Either they transfer electrons or share their electrons. Either they transfer their electrons or they share their electrons. See, these two things are there. For these two things they acquire stability. And why they acquire stability? Because they are unstable and they want to become stable. And why and how they will become stable? They will become stable by either transferring of electrons or either by sharing of their electrons. Now why they will share the electron or transfer their electron? The reason for this is octet rule. What is octet rule? For an atom to achieve stable configuration, configuration, it must have what it must have? It must have either 2 electron in their first shell. See, first shell when it is outermost. 2 electrons in its first shell when this first shell is the outermost. This is called duplet rule. And another, it should have 8 electrons in its outermost shell, then this is called as octet rule. See, the word says here duplet means 2 and octet means 8. This is only applicable to those atoms which are having only first shell as their outermost shell. For example, here we can take example here can be your hydrogen, because hydrogen is the only such which is having only K shell, and other than hydrogen all will follow this octet rule. So for today this is sufficient.